Curious how artificial intelligence is transforming the telecommunications industry? Welcome to AI Plus Telecommunications by AI CERTs. This certification helps professionals apply AI in network operations and service optimization. Learn how AI boosts efficiency and supports automation in telecom ecosystems, key for AI adoption in digital infrastructure. AI transforms telecom, enhancing network management and service optimization. Without AI, telecom leaders risk missing efficiency and customer improvements. AI plus Telecommunications by AI CERTs offers crucial AI insights for smart decisions. AI plus Telecommunications by AI CERTs equips professionals with essential AI skills to modernize telecom networks and operations. Learners gain practical knowledge of AI and machine learning, telecommunications technologies such as 5G, IoT, and SDN, network security tools including intrusion detection systems, predictive analytics, and big data technologies. This certification enables AI use for decision-making, automation, network optimization, and secure telecom management. AI plus Telecommunications by AI CERTs is ideal for telecom engineers, data analysts, network security experts, AI enthusiasts, and project managers who want to apply artificial intelligence in modern telecommunications environments. The program enhances AI for data analysis, secure operations, automation, and collaboration, boosting telecom project efficiency. The AI plus Telecommunications certification by AI CERTs equips telecom professionals with AI skills. Learners discover how AI enhances automation, data analysis, and decision-making. This program improves performance and efficiency in telecom systems. Backed by global standards, AI CERTs certifications are trusted by professionals and organizations worldwide to validate real-world AI knowledge. This course is designed for maximum flexibility and real-world impact. You can learn at your own pace through a fully self-paced online format with 1 full year of access to all course materials. The program includes expert-led video lessons, downloadable handouts, and AI agent support to guide your learning journey. To validate your skills, the certification concludes with a secure, proctored exam. Join AI plus Telecommunications by AI CERTs to gain AI knowledge for telecom. Learn how AI enhances decision-making, efficiency, and network performance. This certification helps telecom professionals use AI tools for smarter management, security, and better outcomes. Find more details in the course flyer below. Discover AI plus Telecommunications by AI CERTs. Learn how AI enhances telecom with data-driven decisions and automation. Gain key AI knowledge for network design and innovation in telecom. Provided by Synergogy, the official partner of AI CERTs. For more information, write to us at info@synergogy.com or visit our page on synergogy.com. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.